tell me, what would you do? You get out of bed, you go to the potty, you come and open your bedroom door so you can make yourself some coffee or Kool-Aid, or in this case both. So you're making your coffee, you start some dishwater, you're going, man, I can't believe I left my dishes there. You make some Kool-Aid, you turn around to reach for something, and you happen to notice that your food box is in your house and your door is unlocked. I wake up every morning, 9:30, 10 o'clock. This box was not here when I went to bed. It was shipped this morning. So who's been in my apartment? It had to be someone with a key, like the maintenance people or the building management. On this panel, it says, please lock when you leave, because there's been issue with maintenance leaving your door open. So now I have a sign up here that says management and maintenance. Please don't enter without notice. Now, if I go off on these people, I'm in the wrong. If I booby trap the house, I'm in the wrong. But let's think about something. I'm in my bedroom, sound asleep, because hello, it's the middle of the morning. I didn't have on all the clothes I have on now. I sometimes sleep in my pajamas and sometimes I sleep in less. So what would you do if you came out of your bedroom? Oh, and my purse was on the ironing board. One of the few times my purse wasn't in the bedroom with me. What if they went through my stuff? What if they went through my wallet? Because, hey, I don't even know someone's in my house. But what would you do if you come to make your coffee in the morning and do all the morning stuff that you got to do? This is what I was reaching for. My monitor to check my sugar. That's when I turned around and seen that. And realized, wait a minute, no one knocked on the door, and my doors are locked. So that means for at least an hour, my door wasn't locked, and I live in an apartment that's for handicapped people and people that's got disabilities and mental disabilities. And yeah, what would you do? Just answer me that. I think that's a violation. And then maintenance is going, oh, well, we'll check it out and see what happened, blah, blah, blah. And they're doing all that pacifier talk. Pacifying me ain't working. I'm pissed off. How would you handle the situation? I just want to know.